In this video, you will recognize the call of Spindalis. The bird has varied high thin calls, including some that are reminiscent of black-and-white warbler song, transitioning to buzzier phrases. Let's listen the call first. Western Spindalis, uncommon in thickets, forest edges, and gardens, were found mainly at fruiting trees and bushes, usually in pairs or small flocks, and often quite inconspicuous. Handsome male is unmistakable with bold head pattern, golden yellow and dark reddish body plumage, and bold white wing pattern. Female is notably drab grayish oil overall with a small white mark on the wing and a ghosting of the male wing pattern. The Western Spindalis is a songbird species. It is found in southern Florida and western Caribbean. It is a rare visitor of extreme southern Florida where the subspecies zena successfully bred in 2009. The Western Spindalis natural habitats are subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest, subtropical or tropical moist montane forest, and heavily degraded former forest. The subspecies zena is found in pine forest. The size is 15 cm long and weight is 21 grams. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.